Hello, this is Stephanie, and again, you've made your way back to my channel, Saving with Stephanie J. Okay, I just went to Walgreens yesterday, and I tell you why I went yesterday, and I'm going again today, because I'm going to do the deal 2 ways, and that way, that will show you if you have the get 7,000 points when you purchase $25 worth of beauty, okay? So if you don't have that digital coupon, you can do this one, okay? Or you can do both. Either way. It's a good deal either way. I got, first thing, I was, just kind of walking around looking at stuff. And look, I found a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. Love these. These are normally $5.40. No, they're more than that. I don't know how much they are. But they was on clearance for $5.49. Okay, $5.49. And I had there was $1 digital that came off, and from the IVC book, and where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, right here. And there was a $5 digital coupon. See? Right there? Yes. So I was like really happy with that. Okay. Then I got the Nexus. This Nexus was $13.99 a piece. And this time I got the Maximum Finishing Mist. I got 2 of them. There they are. Okay. So they were $13.99 a piece. So 2 of them was $27.98. So I had 2 of the $5 printables. Okay, so that brought it down from $27.98 to $17.98. Okay, so $17.98. And then when you spend $20 on Nexus, you get $10,000 worth of points. Okay, so that makes it from $27.98, take the 10 off, the 2 coupons, to $17.98. Then get back 10,000 points, makes 2 Nexus shampoos, $7.98. Just about $4 a piece. And coming from almost 14, yep, I can live with that. Okay, then I got 2 Crest toothpastes. Oh, there they are. I'll have to do like this, look over them. Who do I look like? Wilson. Yep, okay. Anyway, so these Crest toothpaste were $3.99 a piece. So 2 of them are $7.98. But there is that digital Crest if you don't have the P&G. So see, this is something if you don't have any coupons, if you don't have anything. So take $3 off when you buy 2. Okay, so that give you $7.98. Minus 3 is $4.98. But wait, they're giving back $5 register reward when you buy 2. Well, Walgreens, let me tell you. And I kind of was, it wasn't real busy. And I'm like, did it not print me my register reward? And the lady was like, oh, yeah, let me get the manager to fix that. She said, our machine's broken. And, and that's fine, Lord, I understand. So he come and he give me my 5,000 points. That's $5 worth. So I made this a 2-cent moneymaker, okay, if you didn't have any other coupons other than the digital. And after I was driving home, I started thinking about that. How many people walk in there and get stuff, and if it never prints out your register reward, they don't know that it was ever supposed to print out a register reward, and so they don't get their $5. Do you see what I'm saying? I mean, it's almost like when they charge you the wrong price and, oh yeah, I'm sorry, we meant to fix that. Well, how many people didn't notice it? You know what I mean? I'm just saying. And she said it's been broke all week, and yesterday was Thursday. So how many people go in there and buy 2 toothpastes at a time? I mean, just say, in that store. And this is a busy, busy, busy store. You feel me? Okay, so this whole thing was 22, and I put a little thing so you can see $22.45. But remember, I got, and this is actually to me better than a register reward, because sometimes my register rewards stay in my pocketbook and I forget to use them. So this is, I get my money back quicker and easier. So that's $5 back. And then I got the 10,000 points back for my Nexus. So that's 15. Okay. And I hit beauty. So that's 20. So these two, oops, and these two toothpastes, by the time you add your points and take away your points, was about $2.45. But that, I hit beauty. So if you don't want to count that, it was about $7. However, you know, if you want to say. Okay, so if you have no coupons, other than if you can get to a computer and print out 2 of these, okay, because on coupons.com, print out 2 of them, because you can print 2 per device, okay? So that's the only doggone coupons you got. You can do this deal. Let's say you don't have P&G to get the, you know, $2 off of each. Let's say let's say you didn't get any newspapers. Let's say you just gone out of town that week before Thanksgiving. Let's say you didn't get a doggone thing or you left it at home, okay? So, and you didn't get that 7,000 when you spent 25. So if you didn't get that, you can still do this deal. Now, I'm going to go later today and I'm going to do the deal with that, or a similar deal with that spend 25, get 7,000. And so a little bit later, I'll show you Walgreens round 2. Alrighty? Alrighty. So $2 and something, or $7 and something, however you want to look at it. Alrighty? We'll see you later. And be sure to check that video out that I'm going to have up for round 2. Alrighty. Bye-bye.